put this right in there. I'm going to make sure it gets all down into all the corners here. And we're just going to push it, make sure it goes down. And we'll clean up our edges along here a little bit. I say if you're not making a mess, you're not having fun, so that's what I say. Alright. Get in there. It's going to be a pretty big bar the way these are coming out. Let me just see where we're at with this. This is the first time I'm using this mold size. So let's see where I am. Looks like I can get a little bit more in there. Boy, that's hot. What temperature do you say it is? Where did my thermometer go? Oh, there it is. This is 133 degrees. Pretty hot. But no problem. I think we need to put a little more in. Make sure I have enough. I want it at a certain level. That's what I'm aiming for. And it looks like I'm just about done that, so might as well put it all in here because I don't want to be short. So we'll just do that and we'll make adjustment next time if need be. Okay, I'm almost done getting everything out of here. Da 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 da. Here we go. This is the last bit. That's everything. So I actually made a batter of 4.5 pounds, and then I added another 10 ounces or so of stuff. Okay, we'll get my wipe out and wipe off the edge here. It's looking pretty ratty around here. And that pine tar just wants to stay and stay. And get that corner in there going better. Clean that edge up a little bit. Pretty much want to try to keep the top smooth as I can. I don't want to make it real bumpy. It's already going to be pretty rustic. So I think I'll just leave it like this. And this has been a very great soap, helping people like myself who have psoriasis. And I like that. Everything that helps. It's a nice moisturizing soap as well, which is very good. And if I mess with it some more, it's just going to come apart. So there we go. Pine tar with oatmeal soap. We'll bring you back for the cut. Hi everybody, this is cutting of pine tar soap, and it was pretty rough and it had a lot of bubble pockets on the side. I've tried to smooth them out, you rub them and they get better, but it was pretty rough. Still is on the top a bit, and yeah, I did get those little white thingies in there. Rats. I don't like that. Oh well, but this is the rough of it. You can see where I fixed some of those holes. So, but quite medicinal soap, very good for your skin. If you have psoriasis like my family, we love this soap. It really helps. So, we'll just cut a little piece off for a sample. And I have those little white bits. Not very happy about that. Have to work on that. Let me measure this and see. I might have too big a piece here. Let's see. A little bit. I'm going to move this in a little bit more. I thought I was doing good, and then not too big. Alright. I still have to learn this cutter. I'm used to using that well, you know what this looks like. Look at all those white bits. They won't hurt anything. They're just cosmetic, they're just the soap that wouldn't accept the pine tar colorant in it, and that's the way it goes. Hot process. It's like ashing in cold process. You get this. Gives it a little character, yeah. Alright. These are still so big. They're right on. I'm trying to get a nice, this is like 1.25 inches. I'm trying to get a nice size bar where it fits in a box instead of shrink wrapping. I absolutely abhor shrink wrapping, so yeah. So, and my dad, who uses this soap and likes it, asked if you could have a soap that fits in your hand better. The Tall Skinny, of course, does that really nicely. So that's why we changed the size of this particular soap for my dad. He is going to be 89 in May. He's doing really good. He rides his bike when he's in Florida. And this soap is helping his skin, so we're all happy about that. Especially my mom and my dad. So yeah, so this added a ½ pound to my soap, adding the pine tar and the oatmeal. So I had about 5 ounces of pine tar and 6 ounces weight of colloidal oatmeal in here. For now, instead of 4.5 pound batch, I weighed the loaf, it was 5 pounds. So it added a pound, well, with the water and all, yeah. So here we are. Yes, I've got to do a better job with those white bits. This is on the edge of being a bar. Let me just trim this, shave the end off. Nice sliver. Nice sliver. Alright, there we go. It's lovely pine tar soap. I will be planing them and beveling them, and I did that to 1 bar here, which looks pretty nice. It does still have the white bits, but it's a nice size for your hand. Your hand fits it pretty nice. So, thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day. God bless. Bye.